Christian Horner's latest social media snap was mocked by his followers, after the former Spice Girls husband shared an unexpected insight into the luxurious home life he shares with wife Geri Horner. Formula One star Christian Horner, 49, who is married to Spice Girls singer Geri Horner, 50, has faced some criticism from fans after sharing a snapshot of a barbecue at his luxury home this weekend. Instagram users couldn't resist poking fun at the sportsman, after pointing out the irony of Ginger Spice and her husband's spiceless-looking barbecue food. Christian was roasted for what many viewed as a bland meal after the pair decided to enjoy some food in the garden during the current heatwave. The CEO of Red Bull Racing and his superstar wife live in an impressive countryside mansion. On Saturday, Christian shared the sunny barbecue snap in view of his 2.2 million Instagram followers. The picture showed a large array of meats and vegetables laid out on an impressive-looking grill. "Summer has arrived. Barbecue time," Christian wrote with a smile and fire emoji. While some fans were complimentary of the couple's large array of food, others weren't too impressed. One user quipped, "Married a Spice Girl but there's no spice anywhere near that food. Nothing is seasoned," wrote Warren, while another user admitted, "Okay, I'm sorry but the no seasoning really bothers me. Season that S**t please." Another pinned with a crying emoji, as Orlando commented, "This guy doesn't believe in seasoning." Another person wrote, "OMG, there's no flavor there, WTF. Is that chicken? It's so pale, ha ha ha." One joked, while one more cringed, "This is honestly embarrassing." However, some fans thought the food looked like a suitable feast, with Shirley writing, "That looks yummy. I'm on my way," added Jules Holland, while Michael wrote, "Looks very nice."